The Model 1600 now boasts a 99% success rate in the recovery of any scratch disc. This unit is like having several machines in one, allowing you to repair anything from a light scratch to a deeply gouged disc, leaving all discs looking and playing just like new. It is portable and can be located anywhere in your home, office, or place of business on a table or workbench, or even mounted in a van for true mobility. The body is constructed of fiberglass, making it strong and easy to clean. And it is built to the highest safety standards with all components CE approved, and also features a heavy-duty lid switch that shuts the machine off whenever it is opened. Although the machine uses ordinary tap water, there's no plumbing required. Without water, the plastic material will load up into the abrasives and leave the disc with repair marks, and it could also overheat or warp a disc. In the Model 1600, each disc is kept cool during the repair with ordinary tap water, and an extra safety feature shuts the machine off whenever the water level runs too low. This will ensure that you can never overheat or damage a disc during a repair. This unit also is self-cleaning because the wastewater is captured and simply drains out of a hose into a small bucket or container and is safe for normal drains.
Jason, you mentioned that the 1600 model is like having several machines in one. What did you mean by that?
Well, you can use this machine as a single-stage light polisher by simply running the disc on the final polishing head for 1 minute, or use a couple of stages for lightly scratched discs.
So, you could use the machine for fast preventative maintenance, but what if I do this? Can your machine fix this?
That's nothing. Let me show you how to really scratch a disc. Now that's a scratched disc. It doesn't matter how deep you scratch the disc, this machine can fix it. For something that bad, we would use all 6 stages at 1 minute apiece to bring the disc back to brand new. So you're looking at a worst case scenario of 6 minutes runtime in the unit. But remember, the average discs are only going to need 1 or 2 stages and just take 2 to 3 minutes to repair.
Okay, let's see this machine in action.
Okay, simply all we have to do is start with water. Definitely have to have water in there. Keep the disc cool while repairing it. I simply take the scratch disc. I have a polishing head that I'm going to start with. Snap that into the machine. Take my wax backing off my abrasive material. Simply fold it up kind of like a taco here. Put the 3 prongs on and lay it down. You just have to do that once. That's going to last for 10 repairs. Then we're going to take our really deeply scratched disc that we have, and I'm going to place that into the unit right here. Just set your desired time for 60 seconds.
Wow, that is really amazing. It looks just like brand new.
And that was the worst case scenario. The process took just a little over 6 minutes time.
Unbelievable. Do I really need all 6 stages? Can't I simply use one step and let it run longer?
Remember, not every scratch disc needs all 6 stages. Besides, the use of 6 steps actually saves you time when repairing deep scratches.
How can more steps save me time?
If you tried to repair a deeply knife-gouged disc and you only used one polishing head, your repair time could take 30 to 40 minutes or longer, versus 6 steps at 1 minute apiece for a total of 6 minutes. Using more aggressive abrasives and water, we can remove a deep scratch much faster than a single step and leave the disc with a better finish using our patented technology called HDDR.
Okay, I have a scratch CD. How can I tell how deep the scratch is and where to begin?
This is simple. Just remember, remove the scratch first and then polish it. If you choose to begin on stage 3 and after that cycle, the scratch is still there, simply repeat that step or use a heavier polishing pad to remove the scratch. Once the scratch is gone, then you can proceed to the finer polishing stages, finishing the disc, making it look and play just like new. Once you've repaired a few discs, you'll find this is very easy and you can simply glance at the disc and begin repairing. And if you ever have any questions, we have a free customer service available by phone or website.
Well, that sounds simple enough, but what happens when I need to repair more CDs at once?
Well, the 1600 model is modular, and by adding more units in an assembly line fashion, you can repair up to 6 discs simultaneously. And because a single person can operate multiple machines at once, you save in labor and you create the fastest and most economical way to repair disks to date. Also, because they are separate machines, they're offering you more reliability and more flexibility. If for any reason one unit needs to be serviced, you can keep your operation running with the remaining units. Or when you expand to other locations, you can simply move one unit over to your new location and start repairing disks immediately.